This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I will show you how to find kurtosis in Excel. Kurtosis gives you an idea of how spread out a dataset is. I have a couple of diagrams here on a separate sheet to give you an idea of what kurtosis is. A negative kurtosis basically gives you a flat distribution. There's too many data items in the tails and not enough in the center. A positive kurtosis means there are too few data points in the tails. Normal distribution, which is a perfectly symmetrical bell curve, has a kurtosis of 0. Let's go back to our data. I've entered a couple of different data sets in column A and column B. There are two ways to find kurtosis in Excel. The first is with a formula. I'm going to click an empty cell at the bottom of my data set. Type equals KURT, open parentheses. And my data is in A2 through A12, so I'm going to type A2 colon A12, close parentheses, and there's my kurtosis for the first data set. It is positive. I want to find out what my kurtosis is for set B. Drag the little square in the bottom of that cell over to the next cell, and that copies the formula across. So my kurtosis for my second data set is negative. Second way to find kurtosis, click the Data tab, click Data Analysis. If you don't see this option, install the Data Analysis toolpack. Click Descriptive Statistics, then click OK. For my input range, I'm going to select my data set, excluding those two cells at the bottom where I put the kurtosis formula. My data is grouped in two columns, and I do have labels in the first row. Those are the column headers. For my output range, I'm just going to select an area over to the right here. Check the Summary Statistics box and then click OK. And my kurtosis for dataset A is here, 0.788, and my kurtosis for set B is right here, negative 0.97. That's how to find kurtosis in Excel. Visit us at statisticshowto.com for more Excel tips and videos.